other day I seen it, the line was wrapped around the building. Somebody was stuck on my butt. What, girl? Leave me alone. Yeah. Woo. I got the stove on. I'm hot. I'll be back, y'all. I gotta fix my little child something to eat. All of that. Because it's funny. And you cannot get that off. The cigar is starting. Hey y'all, I did not cook today. I just went to honey baked ham. Now the past couple of days, y'all, they had two lines. It was wrapped around the building. I went today, well, nobody in there today, and that was a good thing. I ended up getting the roasted turkey, and also, y'all, they gave me 2 sides and some Hawaiian rolls. Of course, I'm not gonna eat the turkey because I'm on my pescatarian diet. I'm not. She's not. She wanted the ham, but we weren't about to get no ham. I keep telling her that ham will have you crazy in the head. Good night. How many pieces of turkey you want? I give you 3. If you want some more, you come back and get some more. I thought I was gonna eat some mashed potatoes, but it got bacon all the way through it, y'all. So I'm not gonna get me any. Yes, yes, yes. You want some apples? They soft. I like mine a little darker. It's up to you. I'll put some on your plate. It'll be good with some crust with it. I think I got some crust in there, girl. Huh? I think it's in the freezer. I got these little ornaments, y'all. I ain't getting them, but like 2 of them. I'm gonna attempt to put it on one of the cabinets with some Scotch tape, because the little one lost my other tape, y'all. I hope it stick, because I got the oven on and it's hot in here. Now I gotta fix my husband food, y'all. So these gonna be put on pause just for a second. Y'all bear with me now. So what I end up doing, y'all, I use some tape, Scotch tape on the back side of this. It wouldn't stick, so I used this. Now this came with one of the bows that I had. I just took it off a bow. And I'm just gonna put it like this, and I'm gonna wrap it around one of the bows, y'all. This is my tape, y'all. I put tape on the back side of this.